Hello, everyone, and welcome.
In today's lesson, we're going to practice real-life English conversations. You will learn how to speak confidently in everyday situations.
Like shopping for clothes, buying groceries, ordering coffee, and visiting a pharmacy.
Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and answer the questions.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes perfect.
Are you ready? Let's get started! Hello, can I help you? Hi, yes, I'm looking for a jacket. Of course, we have a great selection right here. Oh, wonderful. This blue one looks nice.
Repeat after me. I'm looking for...
Sure, what size do you need? Medium, please. What color would you like? I think blue. Great choice. Black or beige? Here you are. Would you like to try it on? Where is the fitting room? Right this way. This black jacket would look great on you. Oh, I love it. I'll try it on. It fits perfectly. Great. Would you like to pay by cash or card? Card, please. Perfect. Ready to check out? Yes, please. Perfect. Here's your receipt. Thank you.
Repeat after me. I'm looking for a jacket.
Can I help you?
Would you like to try it on? Which size does the customer want?
The correct answer is B, medium.
I'm looking for... Can I help you? What size do you need? Would you like to try it on? I'll take it. Cash or card?
Hello, can I help you? Hi, I'm looking for fresh tomatoes.
Repeat after me. I'm looking for fresh tomatoes.
They're over here. How many do you need? 5, please. Anything else? Yes, some bananas and bread. Of course, right away. How much are these bananas? They're on sale, 50 cents a pound. Great, I'll take them.
Repeat after me. I'm looking for fresh tomatoes. How many do you need? Anything else?
How many tomatoes does the customer want? The correct answer is B, 5. That's right, correct.
I'm looking for... How many do you need? Anything else? How much is this? I'll take it.
Hello, can I help you? Hi, I want to buy a new phone.
Repeat after me. I want to buy a new phone.
Sure, do you prefer Android or iPhone? iPhone, please. Great choice. This model is very popular. Do you want a case too? Yes, please. It has a 12-megapixel camera, 256GB storage, and Bluetooth. Would you like to see other colors? Yes, I like black and silver. Let me pack it for you. That will be $990.
Repeat after me. I want to buy a new phone. Do you prefer Android or iPhone? Would you like to see other colors? Which phone does the customer choose? Is it A, Android, B, iPhone, or C, none?
The correct answer is B. Correct. I want to buy, do you prefer, would you like a case? Let me pack it for you. Here's my card. Hi, can I help you? Yes, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Repeat after me. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Small, medium, or large? Medium, please. Would you like sugar or milk? 1 sugar, please, no milk. Anything to eat? A croissant, please. Here you go. Thank you. Sure, that will be $7. Thank you. Enjoy your cappuccino. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Repeat after me. Small, medium, or large? Anything to eat?
They all look so good.
How much does the customer pay? The correct answer is B, Stalin. Correct! I'd like small, medium, or large. Would you like sugar or milk? Anything to eat? That will be... Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I need something for a headache.
Repeat after me. I need something for a headache. Here, you can take these tablets, 2 every 6 hours.
Thank you. Do I need a prescription?
No, this is over the counter.
Great, I'll take it.
Sure, make sure to drink plenty of water. Have a nice day. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Repeat after me. I need something for a headache. Do I need a prescription? 2 tablets every 6 hours. Welcome to our pharmacy quiz. Is this medicine prescription or over the counter? Choose A or B.
The correct answer is over-the-counter.
Correct.
Do I need a prescription? Over-the-counter, 2 tablets every 6 hours. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.